50% of Axie Infinity's supply of SLP is held in a mysterious whale wallet. Contrary to what would seem to be the case, Axie Infinity and Sky Mavis, the business that designed it, do not actually control this enormous whale wallet. Welcome to Lynk channel. If you love getting news and updates about cryptocurrency, join our community by subscribing to our channel. You can tap the bell icon to never miss our new videos. If you enjoy our channel, kindly like and share it with your friends. September 1, 2022. A tweet from Cointelegraph stated, "That's a lot of smooth love potion." A mysterious wallet quietly amassed billions of Axie Infinity's in-game cryptocurrency, but what are their intentions? Contrary to what would seem to be the case, Axie Infinity and Sky Mavis, the firm that created it, do not actually control this enormous whale wallet. The in-game coin that powers one of the most well-known play-to-earn or P2E cryptocurrency games available on the market, Smooth Love Potion or SLP, has been silently accumulating billions of SLP for almost a year now in a secret Axie Infinity wallet. Over 50% of the token's entire circulating supply was held by the unnamed whale wallet on Wednesday, which has a little bit over 22 billion SLP. Michael Benko, an Axie Infinity participant and co-founder of the technology company, first learned of the enigmatical wallet on August 25 and then informed Cointelegraph of it. Given how much SLP the wallet had amassed in a relatively short period of time and the possible damage it may do to the game's environment, Benko informed Cointelegraph that he had grown worried about the wallet. If it's only one individual, the significance of having such a significant amount of SLP in their wallet gives them immense weight over an economy, particularly in one where it's so difficult to issue new tokens. The mysterious wallet was identified as a Binance Ronin gateway contract on August 31 by Jeffrey Zerlin, a co-founder of Sky Mavis. Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game, was released in 2021. In it, users buy NFTs of animated animals, breed them, and engage in turn-based combat with other players. Players may acquire SLP by doing daily objectives, competing against many other players in the arena game, or taking on AI in the adventure game. The SLP may be used to breed Axies, make power-up runes and gems for the game, and sell them on the marketplaces. Axie Infinity players may make anywhere between 10 and 70 SLP every day on average, depending on how skilled they are at the game, according to the most recent season update, Benko pointed out. Therefore, it is concerning that if someone has 22 billion SLP laying around, they may effectively hold the price steady or lower when it should, by natural trading conditions, be increasing. According to CoinGecko, the value of the cryptocurrency has decreased by 99% from its all-time high of 40 cents on July 13, 2021 to its present level of $0.004. Who is the owner? Axie Infinity's wallet, according to Benko's first theory, was some technology used to automatically transfer SLP to users who gained it. Alexander Larson, co-founder and CEO of Sky Mavis, informed Cointelegraph that both his company and Axie Infinity own all of the game's cryptocurrency, adding, "Players have made all the tokens that are currently in use." YGG does not control the wallet, according to Yield Guild Games co-founder Gabby Dizon, who also speculated that it may be a wallet used by an exchange to retain liquidity. YGG is one of the most significant decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAO, for Axie gamers. The most likely reason, according to Dizon, is that one exchange is keeping it for its liquidity. "Don't assume this is ours as we generally utilize all of our coined SLP for breeding," he said. Even though Binance was listed as the sender or beneficiary of several SLP transactions, Benko pointed out that after reviewing at the exchanges, he doesn't think the cryptocurrency exchange actually owns the wallet in question. It appears that Binance already has a designated wallet, and this isn't it. September 2, 2022. According to a tweet from the Daily Hodl, Bitcoin firebrand Michael Saylor responds to accusations of tax fraud in Washington, D.C. Michael Saylor, a leading proponent of Bitcoin, responds to tax fraud allegations in Washington, D.C. The Washington, D.C. Attorney General has accused MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor of engaging in tax evasion. The Bitcoin or BTC maximalist has resided in Washington, D.C. for more than 10 years, but AG Carle Racine revealed yesterday that he is suing him for not paying taxes during that time. In the multi-million-dollar complaint, Racine also cites MicroStrategy as a defendant for allegedly aiding Saylor in tax evasion. Millionaire IT CEO Michael Saylor, who has lived in the District of Columbia for over 10 years without ever submitting any DC income taxes, is the target of a tax fraud action that we filed today. Additionally, we are suing MicroStrategy for collaborating to assist him in avoiding paying the hundreds of millions of dollars in taxes he is lawfully required to pay on the money he made while residing in Washington, D.C. Racine claims that this legal action is the first to be filed under the revised False Claims Act for D.C., which was approved in 2020 and expanded the statute to cover tax evasion. This is the first lawsuit brought under the recently amended False Claims Act in the District of Columbia, which motivates informants to bring to light residents who breach our tax laws by fabricating their place of residence. By filing this case, we're warning locals and business owners that if you take advantage of everything our wonderful city has to offer without contributing your fair share of taxes, we'll hold you responsible. Saylor has addressed the allegations in a new story by Virginia firm, claiming that while his residence is in Florida, his company is situated in Washington, D.C. I purchased a historic house near to Miami Beach 10 years ago, and I relocated my family from Virginia there. Although MicroStrategy has its headquarters in Virginia, my family and personal life is centered in Florida, where I also reside, cast my ballot, have served on juries, and where I also vote. I disagree completely with the District of Columbia's stance and look forward to the legal system reaching a just conclusion. In the article, MicroStrategy also released a statement denying any involvement on their part with Saylor's individual tax obligations. The disagreement, which concerns individual taxes, includes Mr. Saylor as a party. His day-to-day business operations were not the company's concern, and his personal tax obligations were not within the company's control. Additionally, the business did not work together with Mr. Saylor to assist him in addressing his own tax obligations. The allegations made against the corporation by the District of Columbia are untrue, and we will vigorously oppose this abuse. Saylor resigned as CEO of MicroStrategy last month, a decision the executive claims was unrelated to the software company's almost $1 billion in Bitcoin losses in the second period of the year. That's it for our today's video. So, what can you say about the news? Let us know about it in the comments section down below. Thanks for tuning in to CryptoLink. We are always excited to provide you with news and updates about cryptocurrency, and if you like this video, please click the like button. See you on the next one.